Hello students, today we will discuss about the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense କହିଲେ ଅତୀତରେ ଏକ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ସମୟରେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ ଘଟଣା ଘଟିଥିବାକୁ ବୁଝାଇଥାଏ. That means an action was taking place for some time or at a point of time in the past. Before we know the uses, first of all, we should know the structures. Structures of past continuous tense. Subject. Subject अनुसार was, were plus verb ing or verb 4. Subject plus was, were plus not plus verb ing. Was, were plus subject plus verb ing question mark. Was, were plus subject plus not plus verb ing question mark. Was, were plus not plus subject plus verb ing question mark. These are the structures. Accordingly, example. Suppose I am a third person singular number. She is the third person singular. The example will be like this. She was working. She was not working. Was she working? Question mark. Was she not working? Question mark. Was not she working? Question mark. Suppose we will take subject third person plural. They were working. They were not working. Were they working? Were they not working? Were not they working? These are the examples as per the structure. Uses. Use number 1. To express a temporary action that took place in the past. Time may be mentioned. Time may not be mentioned. ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଅତୀତର ଗୋଟିଏ ଘଟଣା ଯେଉଁଟାକି କିଛି ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ଘଟିଥିବ ସାମୟିକ ଘଟଣା ଅତୀତରେ ଘଟିଥିବା ଏକ ସାମୟିକ ଘଟଣାକୁ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିବାକୁ ହେଲେ ଆମେ past continuous tense ର ସହାୟତା ନେଇଥାଉ. Example. Earlier, my friend was living in Bhubaneswar. At that time, they were talking. The children were playing. These are the examples. Time is not mentioned. Use number 2. To express an action in the middle of an activity. Time is mentioned. Other to express an action in the middle of an activity ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଚାଲିଥିବ ଅତୀତରେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟଟି ଚାଲୁଥିବ କିଛି ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ଘଟିଥିବ ତାର ମଧ୍ୟଭାଗରେ ମିଡିଲ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି ତାର ମଧ୍ୟଭାଗରେ ଯେକୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ସମୟରେ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଘଟିଥିବା କାର୍ଯ୍ୟଟାକୁ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହେଁ ତେବେ past continuous tense ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାଏ. Examples. He was watching movie at 8 p.m. yesterday. We were playing chess at 7 p.m. This time last year I was studying in class 9th. Use number 3. A long action followed by a short action. ଅତୀତରେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ ଘଟଣା ଘଟୁଥିବା ସମୟରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ଘଟଣାଟି ଘଟି ଯାଇଥାଏ. ଯେଉଁ ଘଟଣାଟା ଘଟୁଥିଲା ସେଟା ହେଉଛି ପାଷ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍. ତାପରେ ଯେଉଁ ଘଟଣା ଘଟିଲା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ତାକୁ ସିମ୍ପଲ ପାଷ୍ଟ. ଏ ଲଙ୍ଗ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ ଫଲୋଡ୍ ବାଇ ଏ ସର୍ଟ ଆକ୍ସନ୍. ଲଙ୍ଗ ଆକ୍ସନ୍ is expressed in past continuous and short action is expressed in simple past. When I came, my mother was cooking. When I was walking along the road, I saw a snake. When he was riding a bicycle, he fell down. Long action, short action. When he was riding a bicycle, long action, he fell down. Short action. When I was walking along the road, long action, I saw a snake. Short action. Long action was in past continuous and short action was in simple past. Use number 4. When two actions were going on at the same time in the past. ଅତୀତର ଏକ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ସମୟରେ ଯଦି ଦୁଇଟି ଘଟଣା ଘଟୁଥାଏ, past continuous, past continuous. While I was reading, my sister was playing. When I was watching movie, my brother was sleeping. When we were playing chess, my mother was cooking food. There were two actions were going on simultaneously. एका समୟରେ दुईटी घटना घटुथि. एहाकु past continuous और past continuous रे प्रकाश करा जायता. Use number 5. To express unusual repeated action in the past. ଅତୀତର ଯଦି କିଛି ଅସୁଖକର ଘଟଣା କିଛି ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ଘଟିଥିବ ବା ବାରମ୍ବାର ଘଟିଥିବ ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ, କିନ୍ତୁ କଥା କହିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ କଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆମେ ଅତୀତର କଥା ମନେ ପକାଇଲେ ଆମେ ପାଷ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସରେ ହିଁ ତା ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିଥାଉ. ସାଧାରଣତଃ ଏହା କଥୋପକଥନ ସମୟରେ ଅତୀତର ଘଟିଥିବା ଘଟଣାକୁ ମନେ ପକାଇବା ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାଏ. Example. The boy was always making spelling error. The boy was always coming to school late. The boy was always making trouble in the class. These are the examples. এটা অতীতର ঘটিଥିବା ଘଟଣା. These are the 5 uses of past continuous. Okay, best of luck.